Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 7.3. Before starting that, we should know the area of triangle by using their coordinates. Here given triangle ABC, the vertices are A, B and C. The coordinates of the point A is x1, y1, here B, x2, y2, C, x3, y3. By using these coordinates, how I am going to write the area of triangle? See. Area of triangle, you should by heart this formula, triangle ABC, which is equal to half into modulus x1 into y2 minus y3. See here, after x1 what you should write? Y2 minus y3 plus, now x term is over, then go for x2 into y3, wherever you ended, the same way you have to start up here. y3 minus y1 plus x3, x2 part is over, go for x3 part, x3 into, wherever you ended, you have to start with the same part, that is y1 minus y2. Close the modulus. Modulus means inside the modulus, whatever value comes, positive or negative, you have to write the positive value only, because area cannot be negative. That's why we used modulus. Question number 1. Find the area of triangle whose vertices are, first part 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and 2, minus 4. First, let the first point I have taken as A, second point B, third point C I marked. By using this area of triangle formula, I am going to find out the area of triangle. Mark up, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2 and this is x3, this is y3. Just to put up in this formula, half into modulus x1. What is x1 value? 2. y2 minus y3. What is y2? 0. Minus y3 minus of minus 4. That is what? Plus 4. Plus x2. What is x2 value? Minus 1 into y3 minus y1. What is y3? Minus 4. Minus what is y1? That is plus 3. Plus x3. What is x3 value? That is 2 into y1 minus y2. What is y1? 3. Minus y2 value is what? 0. Close the modulus. Half into modulus 2. 0 plus 4 or what it is? Plus 4. Minus 1 into minus 4 minus 3, that is minus 7. Plus 2 into 3 minus 0, that is what? 3. Close the modulus. I did here half into 4 into 2 is what? 8. Minus 1 into minus 7. These are in multiplication. Minus 1 into minus 7, that is plus 7. 2 into 3, that is 6. So altogether you will get 21. So remove the modulus value, half into 21, because this is what? Positive 21, so we can write it as it is. So 21 upon 2 square units. You should write square units because this is what? Area of triangle. That's why I have written square units. Number 1, second part. 3 points are given to you. By this we are going to find out the area of triangle. So let first point is named A, B and then C I marked. By using this I am going to find out the area of triangle. So mark up x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Write the area of triangle formula, then use up half modulus x1. What is x1 value? Minus 5 into y2 minus y3. What is y2? Minus 5 minus y3 value is what? 2 plus x2 value is what? 3 into y3 minus y1. y3 that is 2 minus y1 minus of minus 1, that is plus 1. Okay. Then what is x3 value? That is 5 into y1 minus y2. y1 is minus 1. Minus of minus, it will give you plus 5. Close the modulus. Half modulus minus 5 into minus 5 minus 2, that is minus 7. These are in addition. That's why minus 7. Plus 3 into 2 plus 1 that is 3 plus 5 into minus 1 plus 5 that will give you simply 4. Close the modulus. Half modulus. See, these are in multiplication. See, if you have any confusion, look at the formula so that you can understand these are in multiplication. So minus into minus it is plus, 5 into 7 that is 35. 3 into 3 9 plus 9 plus 5 into 4 that is plus 20. So you will get half modulus 64. Half into 64. Modulus, we can remove the modulus now because it is in a positive value. So plus 64. 64 upon 2 that is 32 square units. So area of triangle is 32 square units. Thank you. Question number 2. In each of the following, find the value of k for which the points are collinear. First part, 7, minus 2, 5, 1 and 3, k. These are the points given to you. What's your question? Find the value of k when these 3 points are collinear. Collinear means I already told you all the 3 points on the straight line, same line. We can tell that, see, same line. Point A, point B and point C. These 3 points on the same line. Then we can tell that these are collinear. They never make a triangle. Therefore, we can tell that if these 3 points are collinear, we can take area of triangle will be equal to 0. Okay. So, I am writing here, if A, B, C are collinear, then area of triangle ABC equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 equal to 0. You have to take that if these are collinear, you have to take that area of triangle equal to 0. So mark that. First write let first point is A, second point is B and the third point is C. Mark x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Then apply it in the formula. If these 3 points are collinear, area of triangle equal to 0. So we can write there half into x1 that is 7, y2 minus y3 that is 1 minus k plus x2 is what 5 into y3 minus y1 that is k minus of minus it will give you plus, so plus 2 x3 that is plus 3 into y1 minus y2 that is y1 is minus 2 minus y2 is what minus 1 equal to 0 because area of triangle equal to 0 when these 3 points are collinear. Then half modulus 7 into 1 that is 7, 7 into minus k minus 7k, 5 into k that is plus 5k, 5 into 2 that is plus 10. Can go for this one. Plus 3 into minus 2 that is minus 6. 3 into minus 1 that is minus 3. Close the modulus equal to 0. See, multiplied by half goes that side. Divided by half. 0 upon half will be 0. Written. Then simplify the k parts first. Minus 7k plus 5k. It will give you minus 2k. Minus 2k. Then 7 plus 10 that is 17. 17 minus 6 is what? 17 minus 6 that is plus 11. Plus 11 minus 3 that is plus 8 equal to 0. So minus 2k plus 8 equal to 0. Then I can write it plus 8 goes that side minus 8. Minus 2k which is equal to minus 8. Minus minus both the sides cancel. And multiplied by 2 goes that side divided by 2. So 8 upon 2 is what? 4. K equal to 4 I got. So you have to find out the k value. So my answer is what? 4. Thank you. Question number 2 second part. 8, 1, k, minus 4, 2, minus 5 given to you. By using these points, I am going to find out the k value. See, these 3 points are collinear given to you. Therefore, area of triangle will be equal to 0 you have to take. So, let the first point is A I marked, second is B and the third is C I marked. Then, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 you have to mark it. Then, these 3 points are collinear, therefore, area of triangle equal to 0. So, write over here half modulus x1 value is what? 8. y2 minus y3. y2 is what? Minus 4. Minus of minus it will give you plus 5. Plus x2 is what? K into y3 minus y1. y3 is what? Minus 5. Minus y1 that is minus 1. Plus x3 value is what? 2 into y1 minus y2. y1 is what? 1 minus y2 is what? Minus 4. Minus of minus 4 it will give you plus 4 equal to 0. Half modulus 8 into minus 4 that is minus 32. 8 into 5 plus 40 plus k into minus 5 minus 5k. K into minus 1 minus 1k plus 2 into 1 that is 2. 2 into 4 that is plus 8. Close the modulus equal to 0. See, multiplied by 1 by 2 goes outside, divided by 1 by 2. 0 upon 1 by 2 will be 0 only. Then, simplify the k value first, that is minus 5k minus 1k that is minus 6k. Minus 32 plus 40 that is plus 8. Plus 8 plus 2 that is 10. 10 plus 8 that is 18. Plus 18 equal to 0. Plus 18 goes outside, minus 18. Minus 6k which is equal to minus 18. Both the side minus cancel. Multiplied by 6 goes outside, divided by 6. 18 upon 6 that is what? 3. So k equal to 3 I got. Thank you.